family. This is Beyond Beauty. For the new subscribers, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Also leave a comment on the comment section so that I would know you are here. Remember to stay safe during this time. Yes. So today we are in my kitchen. Doing what? We're not cooking today. Today we are trying to play around with some of the pieces that I have. I want to spray paint this one silver, the lovers of silver in the house, and I also want to spray paint also this. In short, everything that is here I want to spray paint, and we see the outcome. I also have with me some silver glitters. This is my phone cover, or the one I bought. My phone had this one before I changed to this one. Yes, I also love this one, but I want to have some glitters on the outer side and see how it's going to look. Yes, let's see. Yes, so because I love my phone, I know most of you love Oppo. I love my Oppo phone, so I don't want to throw this one away. So I want to make it look more beautiful. So I have super glue here. I just hope this thing is going to work. I have super glue here and this one, it was new. I had to use it, and let's see. So I'm going to spread this super glue here. So after the struggle, my phone case looks different. Let's give it time to dry. Glitters all over it, okay? New rainbow. Next, we are going to do spray painting. So, okay, if you want silver, okay, this is something I have to tell you for sure. If you want silver, I think this is silver, like these glitters are silver, but if you go buying, silver is not, I won't say, this is chrome, but this is what us people think is silver. This is bright chrome, there is silver. Silver is not bright, so if you want the silver thing, you must go for bright chrome. It's the one that is going to look like silver. The silver thing anyway, the paint is different. So let us do the painting. I mean the spray painting. You're supposed to shake for more than 2 minutes. You don't just put it close to whatever you spray, so you can just hold it the way you want, but spray from some distance, like this. experimenting, me and you. Tunafanya experiment. Let's see this one how it's going to be, so that I can have it on my living area. Yes. Looks pretty. Ready to dry. So I'm also painting this one because I think I love the color. That's my second thing that has come out beautiful. Yes, that one is ready to go dry. Next thing. So guys, despite being glitters everywhere, I have my phone case ready. You can see it. Yes. And my other decor are here. You can see it. See this one here, my vase, the way they are going to be nice. I'm going to show you where I'm going to put them later. Look at them. They're so pretty. I know you love them. Yes. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will be ready to try anything for you guys. So keep watching. Keep telling me what you want and I'll just do that for you. And share with your friends, your family. Remember to stay safe and keep 1 meter distance. Until next video. See you.